Upon Igbo parents in this generation, because this video is for you. Because tell me why 14 years, a 14-year-old will run away from the house and go away. A 14-year-old is still a child. And go and stay outside. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus. I'm your girl Bella, and I've come again with Palava. This girl wapo no ogonogo quadrono kambode. Watch how the family now went and bundled her home. Kai mama ya wapo kozo nenego di video. Sorry ma, mommy,
Are you okay? Mommy, I'm sorry. Sorry for yourself.
You doing your village is your problem, ma? Fight.
I want to talk.
I don't want to hear you.
I should take him to the place first.
Where did you run to?
So, Madam Kuromoto Kebi Weja, where are you running to? You will get tired of the street. There is nothing on the street. You want to be an adult. See, there is no two words about it. This girl wants to be an adult. You will be eager for adults, but also adults. There is a lot. You see, you have your childhood and your preteens are very short years. Let me be honest about this thing, because most times people don't think of the years ahead and what lies ahead. Your teenage years, or teen from 13 to 19, very short while. Adult is from 20, but adult, and you want to be adult so early while you can enjoy your teenage years, your preteens, your childhood years. Enjoy free everything, academics, everything. But you want to become an adult. You want to join people on the streets. All these girls who must be on the streets, they are tired of their everything. Adults are telling you they are tired of paying bills, paying all the bills, working. I will not lie to you, Oga. It is not easy being an adult, and you want to join the chorus so early when you can enjoy the freebies. As a teenager, you don't know what you are enjoying. Go and ask people, adults. Come, let me tell you what it means to be an adult. The house rent, food in the house, pregnancy if you get married, raising your children. It's not easy. What are you looking, madam? What are you looking for outside? Plus the staphylococcus. These girls. Madam, you get infection. No. STD, not here. I don't know why some people are it just seem you stay somewhere and be saying cho. This girl obviously is proving stubborn to her parents, and they decided that the best thing is to bundle her. In the case we bully, bundle lawyer back. Normally, even the Bible say, spare the rod and spoil the child. If you spare the rod, boys are I know somebody. Their father is still young and your mom is still young, but when you are merely Madam Koromot, this young generation is what they say. Is it Lapo kids? Lapo kids, which is here when the Gen Zs, millennials, ne ekopu abuzande Lapo. Oga, Lapo kids is here Oga, let me tell you something. Okay, this girl now, they are saying the why did they bundle her and put inside the boots? They were looking for this girl for weeks. You can imagine looking for your child. Yeah, it's not on the hand of kidnappers, so no, I can do ritualists. And they know the okay. Agwa poefa emwefa na agwa ponya we ke check your na one dey proof customer no dey kwa afia na afia dey kwa available. E we ke beli ala ebo na proof stubborn. Now my mommy is shouting at me, my dad is shouting at me. Why would they be shouting? Anyway, can put a good on that 2 weeks afu be. If not, we have some people now they resort to if you tell them stop doing this thing or do the chores in the house before you're not on go. Oga will go out of the house. So if you're saying that this girl, why are they she's not getting love from whom? Ogi bonyala. Each okonya abunye koromoto just gonna look koromoto for life. Achoka this girl baul if you don't know. nne na nna ya chọrọ ka ọ baa alụfụ uru. Ọ bụ na ọ nwere ife ị na-etinye na ndụ mmadụ emepere ọnụ kwuo okwu maka ya. Ọ bụ na ịmara ife ihe ekwu imechipụ gị ọnụ ebe. Whatever you feel, put it on the comment section because ịgba nwa ya nkịtị ọga nwa ya na n'iyi ka ọ dị.